Good day to all employers. I am Jenny Lin, 35 years of age, single. I am a high school graduate. I have 13 years total experience as a domestic and local helper. My main duties are cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house, and taking care of children. I work as a local helper here in Philippines for 5 years. I have served 5 adults. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I have served 3 family members, 2 adult and 1 child. I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 1 year. I have served 2 family members, 2 elderly. I work as a domestic helper in UAE for 5 years. I have served 5 family members, 2 adults and 3 kids. Mom and sir, if you hire me, I will be loyal, honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. And I and I will do my best to serve your family. And I will treat your family as my own family too. And I promise to finish my contract and I stay as long as you need my service. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.